It happened. Elon Musk just revealed Tesla's insane new helicopter. We all have seen choppers or helicopters which seem to be pretty cool, but today we are going to tell you about a really exceptional helicopter. Well, what makes this helicopter special is that it has a really unique design, which honestly looks like a toy helicopter. However, not only this, but this is an electric helicopter which is made by none other than Elon Musk's Tesla. Sounds pretty fascinating, right? Well, obviously because the man does everything which is totally awesome and cool, and we people expect that from Tesla because everything they do is just next level and out of this world. So, are you intrigued to know more about it? Then watch the video till the end. Hello guys, welcome to SpaceX Live. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to get new updates about space, Musk, technology, and basically anything about science. Hit the like button to show your love. And in today's video, we will be discussing the coolest helicopter that you have ever seen, which is made by Tesla. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. The helicopter was designed by Antonio Paglia, who is an architect and designer from Milano, Italy. And it seems like the Iron Man fan Mr. Antonio Paglia made sure that the Tesla helicopter's shapes, lines, design and color scheme should look pretty awesome and obviously pretty fast as well. However, this helicopter is smarter and more efficient than any traditional helicopter. However, it was designed for efficiency and speed in its performance for the departments like safety and policing, which allows the administration to effectively patrol the skies and ground in some cases. It also offers assistance in any emergency. So, the Tesla Model H, which is, by the way, its name, is basically a combination of two technologies. First is helicopter and the other is drone, which consists of 4 mini rotors, which helps the driving maneuvers to make the flight more stable and secured. Whether its form basically takes inspiration from biomorphic shapes and robotic shapes, moreover, the body of this helicopter is surrounded by an exoskeleton, like a ribbon which accommodates rotors and acts as a structure for it. Now, we are simply looking at a helicopter, but if that rotor on top was missing, we could very well say it's some sort of mechanical shark, like a total predator. However, the color combination directly shows it as an Iron Man helicopter. The red, white, black and other combinations give the vibe of an Iron Man suit. See how awesome it is? That the one person who is known as real-life Tony Stark and one man who is a big fan of him are working together. Like it's just destined for both of them to do this. Nevertheless, it is a design that has a few tricks, which is way up to its sleeves. The very first thing that we saw is the giant exoskeleton that engulfs the underside of the carriage. However, the undercarriage isn't just for show. By the looks of it, it serves some sort of aerodynamic purpose. If we look closely, then we can see 4 rotors, 2 on each side, of which these rotors also must have some sort of maneuvering ability. And below these rotors, we can also see the front landing gear, which lowers for the helicopter when needed. Now, looking at the tail of the chopper, we can see even more exoskeletal components. Along with that, there are 2 fins at the end of the tail, which also helps to offer stability and aerodynamics to the body. Furthermore, at the rear of this carbon fiber tail, where we can also find the tail rotor, we see another added component with more fins for maneuvering. So there are basically more than 2 fins along with 2 exoskeletons, and let us tell you that these are not just for making it look cool, but they serve some sort of purpose here. Well, the main purpose of all these fins here is to guide the helicopter its direction in the sky. Just like fins on a shark help guide water over its body. So these do help guide air all around the aircraft. But unlike the rest of this Tesla design, these 2 main fins also include the vehicle's landing gear. However, it's more like a hybrid concept to help us transition from our everlasting helicopters to something more advanced and cooler looking. But apart from that, how can we forget about the fact that this helicopter is an electric one? Well, obviously, Tesla doesn't make anything which uses fossil fuels except for rockets. Oh sorry, they don't use it for rockets either. So, for the aircrafts, Elon Musk has updated the timeline on which he sees batteries enabling electric aircraft coming to market in 3 to 4 years. Several years ago, Musk, the CEO of both Tesla and SpaceX, said that he had a design for electrical vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL aircraft, though he never elaborated on plans to bring the aircraft to production. And on that he stated, We have a lot on our plate here, but electric planes, yes, I have been dying to do that for a decade, honestly, but we have quite a few fish to fry here, so maybe one day the electric plane battery energy density will improve every year. Which was a problem for not only aircrafts, but also cars. In order for Musk's design to work, the plane would require a battery with an energy density higher than 400 watt-hour per kilogram, whereas Tesla's newest batteries, Panasonic's 2170 batteries used in Model 3 cars, can only achieve an energy density of around 260 watt-hour per kilogram. Although that will largely be a result of Tesla's effort to extend a vehicle's driving range, a battery of that capacity will be just powerful enough to get an airplane off the ground. But over the past 10 years, the cost of batteries for electric vehicles has dropped significantly. Increasing the cell energy is one way to further reduce the cost, as a higher specific energy will result in fewer materials required for the same total battery energy. For now, we can say that electrifying ground-based transport is arguably more important than electric jets, because while transport emissions account for 24% of the world's carbon dioxide emissions in 2016, road-based transport accounted for 72% of those emissions. But if battery technology improves and it becomes feasible to electrify a jet, it could enable humanity to transition to a fully zero-emissions transport system. Thierry Martin-Martinot, Aerospace and Defense Chief Technology Officer for TE Connectivity, told Inverse in July 2019 that the battery would be the first hurdle before working out issues with voltage and regulations. Martin-Martinot suggested that the batteries could arrive in the next few years, and the electric airliner could hit the skies in 2040. Amprius also claims to be able to reach past that 400 watt-hours per kilogram mark. With its 100% silicon nanowire batteries, the same technology is speculated to be the backdrop for Tesla's Battery Day webpage. Essentially, Musk did not count the Tesla electric plane out completely, but it does not appear that it will come anytime soon. Elon said, "It would be a fun problem to work on at some point, but we have a lot to do over the next few years. So we are going to focus on these things, get them right, and maybe one day do that." For now, however, this concept will remain just that. A concept. But who knows who may be inspired from this, and before we know it, one part or another may be found on future helicopter models. What do you guys think about this next-level electric helicopter concept? Let us know in the comment section down below. And guys, thank you for watching the video. If you really liked it, then leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss any updates from us. That's us signing out, guys. We will see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.